Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase in Canada, updated. Open and verify your Coinbase account, then add a funding method like Interac e-transfer or bank transfer right away. Complete identity verification and enable two-factor authentication for better protection. Decide how much to invest, set a buy order, and confirm the transaction. I'll walk you through fees, limits, and quick tips to avoid common mistakes. In this video, I will explain how to fund Coinbase in Canada for Bitcoin purchases. Use Interac e-transfer for fast deposits, or choose bank transfer if you prefer lower fees and can wait a bit. Cards work for instant buys, but watch for higher charges. Check your limits and confirm the currency is CAD to avoid conversion fees. I'll show how to link accounts and verify payments step by step. In this video, I will help you place a Bitcoin order on Coinbase in Canada. Pick market orders for quick execution or limit orders if you want a target price. Input either CAD or BTC amount and preview fees so there are no surprises. Confirm the payment method and complete the purchase. I'll also explain how to check order status, cancel pending orders when possible, and transfer coins to a private wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.